Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing on with our March Make a Journal 2026. So far, we have picked our theme and gathered our supplies. You should already have your pages cut, your journal cover made, and have your journal completely assembled by now. You should have already made ephemera that matches the theme, tags that match the theme, pockets and envelopes to match the theme, and paper clips and charms to match your theme. All of my stuff is right in here. Okay, and then you should have added your ribbons and trims. Okay, so now we are on the day that we add everything to our journal. Now, I always do a few pages and then I do everything else off camera. That way, when I do a final flip through, you can see exactly how everything looks, and it's more of a surprise than watching me put a bunch of stuff in. I did, however, need to finish my little envelopes. The rest of my stuff still isn't dry, but my little faux wax seals, they're horrible. I'm fully going to admit this to you. They're horrible. Let me take my glasses off. They're horrible. I hate them, but we're going with it because I am on a no buy, so I am not buying a wax seal kit. So we're just going with the ones that I made, and I'm going to glue them on. I do have paper clips and a big one for the cover here, but like those are not dry yet. I literally just finished that video not too long ago and just put on another coat, but these ones were done. They're not all the same size. They're horrible, you guys, but it's my journal and I don't give a crap. Like I said, I'm on it, and then you can see all the paint all over my hands. I keep thinking I see somebody out of the corner of my eye. There's nobody down here. I can, as long as people are not trying to be quiet, I can hear when people come down here. So I know there's nobody down here. Okay, and our last one. Eventually, next year, I'm going to get a wax seal kit, because if I'm going to continue and stuff like that, I need a wax seal kit, because these are horrendous. But it's fine. It is fine. I didn't even have anything round that I could, like, with a flat round surface that it was small enough that I am looking at something right now and now I feel stupid. I could have just used a cap of a spray bottle. I'm not remaking them. We're fine. Okay, so that's done. And then what I'm going to do is pull all my stuff out. This is what I'm using as pockets. Okay. And then I have ephemera. I have tags. Where are my other tags? They're right there. I have more ephemera. Okay. More ephemera. I think I was using this as ephemera, not a pocket. And I have my charm. So I also have bulldog clips. Okay, that's everything I have. So I'm going to put a few pieces in. First of all, let's put our charm on. I'm debating. Should I put my charm over here or over here? I think it would be less annoying down here. But look how cute that looks. Okay. And I'm just going to randomly put in some clips. So we're going to put a bulldog clip in here. You never know when you're going to need that. And they can easily get moved around. So, but right now I'm just putting them in so they're in. I'm going to put one here. Okay. And now we have some stuffs. I think I want to put a ruler, maybe not on that page. Let's put one on this page. It almost fits all the way across. So we're going to put this down. I think what I'll do is I'll put kind of one of each piece of ephemera down, and then I will be done and continue on putting everything else down off camera. All right, I really want a cow right here. I mean, I can put him right there with his little tail hanging off and still access this pocket. So let's glue him down. We're going to have the tail coming off the page. And we're going to have everything else on. Because look how cute he looks. Look, he's so cute right there. I mean, come on. Look how cute he is. All right, and then let's flip over here. And I think I want to do a film strip across. I think I'm going to do it diagonally. I'm going to try and go this way. All of my dies, as best as I can, like if I got them on Amazon, they are listed down. And my Amazon, they are in my my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description box, and it's under metal dies. I did check to make sure. And if you're looking for that PDF that I keep showing you, that's free in my Ko-fi. All right. I think a little, oh, the duck is just so damn cute. I saw somebody making this duck on, I don't know, should I do up here or should I do down here? Up here or down here? Up here? I think I'm going to go down here on a short. And I commented to find out where they got, because the duck was just so darn cute. Now, rubber duckies are the thing on Taskmaster, but this is my interpretation, okay? Because I could do what I want. It's my journal, I could do what I want. Okay, and I think a little clipboard. And then I believe the only thing I have left is one of these eggs. So I will come down here and put an egg right there. And I think the other egg is to use as pockets, but this one's going to be glued down like so. All right, so far, and for these right here, of course I did that. Let's move this over here. I would clip in like the tags that I made on these clips here. So that's what I would do with those. I do have more. Of course, I'm like, what is wrong with me? How did that end up happening? I try not to put more than one thing on a page. Not counting like the trim, but this kind, like I don't want to put, it's just me. They'll get moved around. This is the thing. As I'm journaling, I'm going to find I might need a clip somewhere else. I might need more clips. I don't know, but that is how I do it. I try to not have everything on the same page when I am putting everything in. So far, this is what our little journal looks like. And this is the journal I will be using for April. So next month. And I think it's adorable so far. Okay. So I'm going to go off camera, add everything else, and I will see you in the next video for the final absolute flip through of this journal. thank you so much for being with me today, you guys. And if you've been doing March Make a Journal, so thank you so much for, you know, hanging out with me and making a journal with me. I know I have heard from people that it's their favorite journals when they journal along with me like this. So I'm really hoping that you're journaling along with me and you're making your journal along with me and you're really liking how it came out. I really am hoping that. Also, I have some, I forgot, I have some washi tape I want to use. I just looked up and saw my washi drawer and was like, wait a minute, I had washi tape. Anyway, comment down below. Let me know how it's going for you if you are joining me. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great, I think I already said that. I don't even know. Have a great rest of your day.